welcome to my YouTube channel. What I do on this channel every single week is share virtual assistant tips with you. So today, what we're gonna talk about is things that you may want to avoid when hiring a virtual assistant, because these are things that I have seen over the past 9 or 10 years where people have struggled with virtual assistants. So virtual assistants are awesome and they can really help you grow your business and bring more profit to your business. But also, I've seen a lot of things that people have done and have not made virtual assistant work for them. They were never prepared. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you are prepared when hiring a virtual assistant. You need, if you're hiring them on your own, definitely you need a system and a process for everything, such as recruiting and training and managing what they need to do for you. That entire process can take many, many hours to put together. So when people actually just go out there, start running ads, and have no idea what they really want, it's a failure. Communication. So a lot of people want to make sure, first of all, that you are interviewing a lot of virtual assistants. You want to go onto different websites and things, and you can put ads together to make sure that but the ads have to attract different kinds of virtual assistants. So you got to know exactly what you're looking for. What I found is I have tried to make one virtual assistant do everything in my business, and it's a failure, because virtual assistants have different personalities and different experience. So for an example, a virtual assistant that's creative on my team, maybe doing video editing, and they're doing ad creation, and they're doing different types of flyers and marketing and all sorts of things. I'm not going to put those people on the phone to be customer service or following up or answering phones or anything like that. Two completely different people. So make sure that you're hiring the right personality type, the right experience for what you're looking for. So you want to go and you want to figure out exactly what you want that virtual assistant to be doing. The other thing is most virtual assistants don't want to take part-time jobs, okay? So you're definitely going to want to look at hiring a virtual assistant full-time, or you're going to go into project work virtual assistants that I'll get into on another video. So the one thing you want to do, make sure that you're set up for success. Number one is to create the ads, run them on different virtual assistant sites. We hire all of our virtual assistants through the Philippines pretty much. Okay, so we go on to all kinds of Filipino recruiting sites to hire them. Then what you do after that, you want to make sure that you have a good training process for them. So you want to put together things that you've done previously. You want to put them on video, you can put them in writing, how you do it. So you definitely want to put that together. Also, you want to make sure that you're set up for success, because if that virtual assistant no longer shows up or doesn't want to work for you, you're not starting over every single time. And we've learned all of these things the hard way because we've done it. Then you want to make sure that your communication skills with the virtual assistant are phenomenal. Every single day communicating, that they know expectations. Expectations are very important, that the virtual assistant knows exactly what you expect, what they should be doing every single day. You also should use some type of software to manage tasks. There's hundreds of them out there. Monday, Trello, I can go on and on. But I will talk about that on another video as well. So all of the things that I'm talking about, I will go into detail on other videos, but I just want to get you thinking, if you're gonna hire a virtual assistant, make sure that you're set up for success. A lot of people just give the virtual assistant task and never communicate with them. Okay, we love to use Google Hangouts. We love to use Zoom. We love to use anything that is video and screen sharing. We communicate with them every day, okay? Because they are pretty much, I treat them like they're in-house employees as far as communication with them. they don't know exactly what you want. You got to learn the culture of wherever you're hiring. If you're hiring virtual assistants in the US, it's a lot different. I talk about really on my channel more about hiring virtual assistants from a different country. Okay, so the communication, the expectations, the follow-up, okay, the accountability, the support system, all needed for success with a virtual assistant. Your management skills. A lot of people, what we see, why people don't succeed with virtual assistants is because they do not know how to manage people themselves very well. So you definitely have to make sure that you are good in management. So all of these things. Can you hire a virtual assistant on your own? Absolutely. Is it much more time consuming and challenging in turnover and then having to start over? Absolutely, that can happen too. So you have to decide, is it better that I hire them on my own and go through all this? Or is it better that I actually use a company to do that? As you guys probably know, we've had a virtual assistant company, very successful company for the last 3.5 years now. And we help people grow their business through virtual assistants, and we also help you train them, we help you, we support you, and everything else. So anyways, hopefully today helped you realize what you really need to do to help a virtual assistant be successful and help you be successful when hiring virtual assistants. So please like this video, comment. If you want to see certain things, let me know, and I'd be happy to share certain things about virtual assistants. Put it down in the comments. Bell icon. Remember, I release new information on virtual assistants every single week. So follow me more to find out more about virtual assistants. Bye.
Never